I know that I'm a little bit late, but I just got my brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'm going to be unboxing it and setting it up for you guys. Down below, there will be timestamps if you don't want to hear me talk and just want to skip straight to the unboxing. But quick background, I am upgrading from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Last year, I did not buy any Apple products at all. I actually made a video talking about why I made the decision to not get the iPhone 13. In 2020, I literally bought every single new Apple product that came out. I got the iPad Pro, the Apple Watch 6, the iPhone 12 Pro Max twice. There's a whole backstory on that. And I also got a MacBook and Apple Pencil that year. Last year, I really sat down and thought about why I felt the need to continuously buy these Apple products every single year, even though they weren't really that different. So I skipped out on iPhone 13, but I'm so excited for this new iPhone 14 Pro Max. I always get the same color. I got the color gold and I like that it's like a neutral beigey color. This is actually the first time in my iPhone buying history that I've actually upgraded my storage. So I always get the baseline storage, and I found that for me, since everything is backed up in the cloud, I never even come close to that maximum storage amount. But now that I've started shooting content on my iPhone for Instagram Reels, TikTok Shorts, and doing more iPhone content, my storage is running out. So for this one, I upgraded to the 256 gigabytes, and yeah, I'm super excited. I ordered a phone case, but it did not get delivered, so I'm going to be phone caseless for a while, but I've been waiting to open this since it came yesterday, so let's get straight into it. Now, if you're not new to my channel, I've done tons of Apple product unboxings. This one's going to be a bit different, and it's going to be more of an ASMR, so I'm not going to talk as I unbox it, and you guys can just hear all of the glorious sounds of the unboxing. That felt like the most anticlimactic unboxing I've ever done, and I know that Apple is trying to cut back on their waste, so it's a good thing. There's no plastic around it anymore. There's no brick in the box. There's very minimal paper, which is a good thing, but it just felt like the most boring unboxing ever. So right now my new iPhone is setting up, and I love how you can just put your old iPhone next to it and it automatically does it. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. So basically I ordered my iPhone at the end of October and I got it yesterday, which was November 30th. So it did take a month because they were a little bit behind on stock. Normally I order my iPhone like right when it releases, but this year I really just took time to be a bit smarter and I waited until it was a better financial decision for me to buy it. So I am going to be trading in my old iPhone through Apple, and so I purchased it through Apple. They gave me a credit for returning my old iPhone 12 Pro Max, and so when you get it in the mail, if you do it this way, my new iPhone came in this box right here, super secure so that it doesn't get damaged. And then at the bottom of this package, they sent me my return package to send back my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think they give you like a week or two after you get your new iPhone to send back the old one, or you don't receive that credit. It comes with a pre-printed label and a box that you basically just put your old iPhone back in. Super easy, because I feel like sometimes it is hard to resell it on your own, have to go through eBay, Facebook Marketplace, meet up with a stranger, they take out fees. It's just easier to me just to trade in my products to Apple, get that credit when I buy the new one. So just looking at it, it's crazy how much bigger the camera is. So the 3 cameras are definitely a lot bigger from the 12 Pro Max to the 14 Pro Max. Let me take off my case from my old phone and look at the color differences. Okay, let's see if you want to focus. So there definitely is a slight color difference. So this is the new iPhone, this is the old iPhone, both in the color gold. It's not really super noticeable, but I love this color. Even though I always have a phone case on, I think it's just a super cute beigey color. You guys can see, let me put them level. You can see how much bigger the new iPhone's cameras are. I'm actually really excited because I saw on the I saw on the 14 that the camera and video quality was amazing. So I can only imagine the 14 Pro Max, what it's going to be. So here's a side by side. So the power button, the volume buttons are still in the same spot. The new iPhone does not have a SIM card slot. So the new ones have a virtual SIM card. So there's not an actual physical SIM card. So I'm gonna go ahead and in my video here, I'll make a separate video showing you guys how I set up my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. I am so excited. It has been 2 years since I've gotten the new iPhone, and I'm definitely gonna get a case and screen protector on this as soon as possible. I also am thinking about getting the new Apple Watch SE. I also haven't upgraded this watch since 2020. I have the Apple Watch 6, and from running and just life, it definitely is pretty scuffed up and scratched up. So stay tuned, because I think I am going to get the new Apple Watch pretty soon. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!